Well, I'm inside the ABCs, so please include the day, else your person analysing the sheets is going to be doing a lot of this. Your setting conditions. Don't be alarmed there, simply means place and people. If you're in a lounge, don't just write lounge. What about the lounge? Was it crowded? Don't like noise.
Simon, your tea's ready!
Not immediately before. You may have to ask back. Was it soft? Was it jovial? Frequency. How often? What the staff member or anyone supporting that service user said or did in response to the behaviour. This is the most important column, the needs. This is the whole reason you're taking time out to complete the ABCs, all that investment. Okay, I'm back in the room. How did you get on with our completed ABC form? Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, it's as easy as ABC.